Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to walk you through your power dialer. And when you get over here to look at your power dialer, there's a few options you have to actually using your power dialer. So one is you can just hover over an existing contact and dial their number, and you'll jump right into the phone call. So that's one option. So if you just see right here, you can hover over, dial number. That's one way to use the power dialer. The other option is to do a power cycle or a power call, which is more like a call center or a list of numbers that you have that you want to reach out to. Now, again, this does come preloaded with calling scripts, so different for sell by owners and different scripts that you would normally have to create. They're all created for you, so you don't have to create anything like that. It's all done for you. Now, if you wanted to add your own custom branded scripts that for your team or for yourself to be able to use, you could totally do that. And how you do that is right here. You'd add a script template. So you'd add one right here. And this will show you the ones that you have existing that you can modify and edit. So I'll just show you that process really quickly. If you wanted to do that, you can select which category, name, and build out your script. And it'll do it and show it. So now this would show up your custom dialer script. It'd show up inside your power dialer when you're calling as an option. So what you want to do for the first thing, as far as using your power dialer, if you wanted to call a bulk cycle of list, is you want to go right here and create a dial list. So we already created one right here, but you can create any amount of dial lists that you have. Let's just say that it was for sell by owner. This is for sell by owner list. And then all you have to do right here afterwards is, if you hover over here, is look at upload contacts. So you upload contacts. It gives you a layout of what that would look like. You can see right here. You want to upload that CSV file to right here. So this is what it would ask you to do. The format. The first row should be a column header row. Should have their name. So it gives you exactly how this would look if you're setting it up. So after you upload this list, you go right here to your dialer list. Now that it's uploaded in the system, all you would do right here is select call. So once you do this, it'll start calling through the entire list of numbers that you have, and it'll show you an option right here for you to add any caller at any time notes or add them directly into the system. So this is saying a no valid account because it's not set up. You don't have anything in the system. So this is just a demonstration, okay? So other than that, you can see the phone numbers. If you have multiple phone numbers that you can buy different power dialer phone numbers in the store, you'd see them right here. And right here, you can see the different scripts. So if you wanted to say just listed, you see that script right here. You can come over here and read these and just kind of get refreshed on, hey, this is what you'd want to cover in a just listed script, right? If you want to look at pre-foreclosures, there's pre-foreclosures script, for sell by owner script. So you have all these different scripts already for rent by owner, expired leads. You have all of these already done for you. So you can just kind of come over here and study, and then make your phone calls and jump on here and go script by script and read it off to them. So really easy to use. And this is basically your power dialer, how it would work. Now, if you look at dial forwarders, okay, so if you look at right here, the option to do dial forwarders, you don't have one because it's not added. But if we add a dial forwarder, this is somebody, say that you have you have an agent that's out in the field, okay, or somebody who's handling for sell by owner calls out of the office, and say this is James who's going to do those for sell by owners. You add his number, and once you add James's number, now what would happen is when you save this, you come over here, now it's your power dialer. Now you're going to see an option for forward, and so now you can forward this call, okay, and you see James. So now once that happens, you'd be able to forward this call to James, right? Once it's an opportunity for you to transfer that live call. Maybe you have someone on the phone that says, hey, I have a question about XYZ. and say, great, I'm going to pass you on to James, and he can answer those questions for you, but let me go ahead and schedule an appointment. So however you want to use that call forwarding, some people will call it like a live transfer, a hot transfer. However that is that you want to use it, you can definitely use it right here, call forward. So really cool deal. You can pause the call at any time, hang up. And one thing that a lot of people ask is, what happens if I have a list of 100 and I stop calling because I have to step away? What'll happen is once you get back into that list, you're going to go ahead and automatically start off where you left off at. And once you cycle through that entire list, all you have to do is reset and you can start calling everybody again that you didn't get to call. So really easy to do, but this is a general overview of your power dialer.